Yo, what's going on, guys? Zeno here, back with another video. As you can see, we got the Battle Dome out. We got 6 bays here, and they're gonna battle it out today in the Battle Dome. But thing is, they're gonna have a knockout battle. I'm gonna put 2 against each other, and I'm gonna 1-on-1 against each other, and then it will determine on which set they will be in. So, 6th to 4th place will be going against each other. 1st to 3rd will be going against each other. And then, okay, I can't do it like that. I'm just, let's see. How about the first 3 who loses will be going against each other in the next round. The first 3 that win, and then the first 3 that win, yada yada yada. That, and then also I want to showcase something real quick. I was gonna do it. I might do a separate video on it with it too, but here we have Ender Zenith. 10 cross dimension. Oh, I was about to say atomic. Yeah, bugs. This is my friend's bay, and he asked me to make it for him in a core lock. There was supposed to it's a left spin bay too, but it's really good too. So, yeah. Also, I did some upgrades to Drakken. So now it looks more, it's smaller, it's more, there we go. It's smaller, it looks more smoother on the side. The combo is Curse Drakken. I need to name the frame because I don't know yet. And I also, and it's just pretty much dressed, but design's different, but yeah, but I also changed it from 0 to 00 for more weight. And it doesn't fall off the launcher, so that's a double win. Oh. Alright, so let's get into the battles. Alright, first up, we have Ghost Phantomzus versus Trio Calum. A left and a right rotating bay. This is gonna be hard to get both ends, so let's see how well it goes. And they're both in. I hate that my camera doesn't capture all of the... I need something to like raise my camera's height, or a new tripod. The sun is bright today, my god. And Calum takes it. And I should have moved it. So now my legs, my tripod legs are like wobbly, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Here's the next round. Round 2. Kansas took the wall route. Not Phantomzus. Orion, my bad. Sorry for any background noises. They decided to, and I'm not saying this because I came out here first and was getting ready, and these people pulled up and just started working on the truck. I mean, not truck, road, or whatever construction they're doing. Okay, here we go. That's what happens when you hit the wall. It double bounced into the wall. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, nothing wants to work out for me today. Alright. Let's try this again. The sun is like dead on the stadium right now. I can barely see it. And Kalen for the win. Kalen will be going on to the next round in the winner's block, and Orion's going to be going next round in the loser block. Well, not really a loser, block B, there. I don't know, there's no winners or losers in this until the three-way and then the two-way of the three, who won of the two-way. Okay, next up. Drakken versus Hero. And Hero might be getting an upgrade soon. Okay, here we go. Next round. And a double burst. And you would have seen it if it wasn't blurry. Yay me for not seeing that it was blurry. And the frame came off. Can I put it back on, please? Okay, there we go. So I'll say that is a tie. Also, I want to say big shout out to my friend June. He is an amazing person who made most of the drivers that was in my videos. He made Sing, he made Boost, he made Bounce, and he made Drift 2. He is just very amazing, and I am very thankful for him and seeing that all he does for us. So thank you, June, so much, and I'll put a link in to his channel down below. And yeah, I just hope you guys show him some love too and subscribe to him, because his Beyblade Leviathan is very good too. Alright, here we go. Next. Okay, we're going to be starting the round since I don't know what happened. Okay, so I guess that was a tie. Okay, next round. Everything wants to get stuck to the launcher. Here we go. There we go. And Drakken takes the point. Hero got messed up. Drakken, they both hit the wall. But Hero was the only one that got spun out. Here we go, next round. Drakken's taking the center and Hero's circling around. And contact has been made. Drakken has won. Now I'm going to switch it up so hopefully it's not just me launching and Drakken first. That's having the boost. And my mistake was twisting it. Okay, here we go. And here we go. Okay, here I am back. Here we go. Hero. Oh, Drakken hit the wall. Hero has hit the wall. Contact has been made. And the winner is Hero with a burst. I can already hear the already can hear that Hero is stronger than Drakken. What really happened was Drakken hit the wall. I'm not making an excuse. It did hit the wall, so it kind of loosened it. I can already see the Discord chat after this video goes up. Can't be in stamina though. What? Okay. I'll say Hero won that. So Drakken will be going on to block 2. Hero will be going to block A. Next up, Zenith will focus. Zenith versus Tortuga. Who will be the victor? So the owner of these two bays has been going on about which bay is better. So today we'll find out. Let's see. Tortuga did that. Oh, crane came off. Still spinning, and it's like, and it's a tie. All right, here we go. Nope. That was a mistake on my part. And a burst to Zenith. Tempest is not going to hear the end of this. Zenith has won. And it's going on to the next round. Hey Tempest, at least me and you, our partners, went to block B. And Yeah. So we have the team. In the A block, we have Calum, Hero, and Zenith. And in the B block, we have Drakken, Tortuga, and Orion. Now, let's see who will win in the 3-on-3 battle. This is going to be hard to do because there's 2 left spin and 1 right spin. And the other team is opposite. So here we go. Everything focus and go shoot. No time for hesitation. And the battle has started, the 3-way battle. Hero is going at it. Calum is taking the center. And they're tag teaming Calum. And it takes the point by stamina. Here we go, next round. Okay, Eric, why? Okay. Let's try that again. The 3 bays are in. Hero's reboot has kicked in. And first out is Zenith, then Hero. Calum has taken that. So now I'm going to launch Calum in and see if it's just stamina or luck. And a burst finish. Calum has hit the wall. Will it survive? No! Calum literally yeeted Zenith into that wall. Okay, last round. Zenith is out, and Calum has won. So Calum will be going on to the final round. Now let's see if Block B has any winners. Which sucks because there's 1 left spin and 2 right spins. Here we go. I'm gonna have to do a flip flop. Flip flop. Flip flop. I'll launch Tortuga in. Here we go. And the winner. And that is out. Now it's just last 2. Who will be left standing? And there's a bug on my camera. And I squashed it. Ew. Who will win by the stamina? And the winner is Tortuga with the final 1 second spin. I call bull. Okay. Next round. Let's go. And went to attack mode, of course. Okay, it's still left. Okay, here we go. Alright, got 3 minutes on the clock. Probably full of mistakes, pretty much, for the other 20. Let's see if I can do this. Last round. I just messed that all up. These are going the wrong spin direction. Okay, that didn't count because they were all going the wrong spin direction. They were all, the right was going left, and the left was going right. Tortuga went out. Drakken has lost that. Okay. Final battle. Whoever wins, because I am literally running out of time on my phone. I don't know how I got to 20 minutes already. Okay. Stamina wise, the winner will be Drakken is out. And Tortuga has won. It's gonna be going on to the next round. Ooh. So the next round will be Kayla versus Tortuga. Who will win? Find out next time on Xenoblader's channel. Alright, I'll be ending it here. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you think of the video. Comment down below what you think of Zenith. And Zenith might have a special role in my skits as well. So hopefully I can get back to those when I can and there's less background noise. But yeah, the Xeno signing out and have a fantastic day.